Dinosaur fish.
Got a gar swimming on shore here, in case nobody's ever seen one.
Holy fuck, dude.
Look at that thing. Look at all these prints. Probably don't want to go swimming with that guy.
Oh my god. That was at least like the size of your arm. That's
Easy, that's
big.
easy. 3 or 4 feet long.
Big ass, tiny, or big ass gar.
That was huge.
Its fins just stick up out the goddamn water.
Like a shark.
That's a
That was
predatory
gnarly. I've
fish.
never seen that. Oh, it's gotta be.
Predatory fish like a motherfucker. With those goddamn teeth like that, Jesus Christ.
Carnahan Creek in Tuttle Creek, Kansas. Josh made it out. Oh, twisted tea in the morning.
That's amazing. We've probably been scaring off old dogs even on the road.